A single parking ticket can unravel a city's greatest mystery. Imagine, past midnight, in the quiet hum of an evidence room, a tired clerk slides open a cold gray drawer. Inside, a single slip of paper, rough with dried grit, holds the faint imprint of a warped windshield. A stubborn ink stamp on its surface matches a patrol log no one has touched for weeks. That small discovery once narrowed a New York City manhunt to a single door. Elsewhere, the clue wasn't paper, but sound. A neighbor casually mentioned a dog that barked on the wrong night, and an entire timeline quietly shifted by hours. What if the detail that breaks a case is the one that barely looks like a clue at all? A microscopic speck of paint traced from a coat cuff to a microscope, then back to a specific factory batch, finally gives a name to a nameless driver. These are the moments investigators call decisive. It is the patient work that turns random noise into clear direction. The smallest facts always matter. Today, we swim in a sea of data. Our digital receipts are cross-checked by software that pits the mundane against the monumental. Yet the truth still hides in the analog world. We must slow the footage, listen for the offhand comment that still echoes in a witness statement. Because when a case turns, it often pivots on the exact time printed on a receipt or the specific pattern of a bark. The most critical details are often the quietest. In the warm, lint-filled air of a laundromat, a headline shouts from a newspaper. But a real story is a single underlined sentence in a court transcript resting on someone's lap. A neighbor heard two voices. But attention does more than just record events. It can alter them. A bold headline can imply guilt long before a jury hears a single word. Media deadlines and budgets can nudge coverage toward the most convenient narrative, not the most accurate one. If human memory can bend under pressure, why do we treat the first draft of the fact as the final one? Investigative tunnel vision often begins with a hunch that locks into place. A police report describes a woman as hysterical, but the audio recording reveals a voice that is injured and afraid. That one adjective dries like wet cement around a first impression. A prosecutor repeats it, a headline borrows it, and soon an entire city believes it witnessed a scene that never happened. The words we choose decide which facts are examined and which are quietly set aside. This matters more than ever in an age where a single push alert can establish certainty before context has a chance to arrive. Our clicks can reward the shortcuts that bury crucial lines in transcripts and court exhibits. True understanding means holding space for the families, the overlooked neighbors, and the community historians. It means asking what their words add to the story. It means comparing the bold headline with the fine print, and then letting doubt do its careful, necessary work. Because sometimes the detail that changes everything isn't a fingerprint. It's a single word hidden on page 7 that tilts an entire timeline.